Okay, now let's go through MCQ question 27. Which statement about the methods of reproduction is correct? Okay, so when we talk about methods of reproduction, we have sexual and asexual reproduction. Okay. Okay, so what's the difference between sexual and asexual reproduction? Is that number one, sexual reproduction, okay, they generally require two gametes from each parent, okay, whereas asexual reproduction, okay, involves a single cell from one parent. Okay, and the thing about sexual reproduction is that essentially you'll result in genetic variations, okay, where the offsprings will be genetically different from parents, okay, whereas for asexual reproduction, the offspring will be genetically identical with parents. Okay, so there will be no genetic variations at all when we are talking about asexual reproduction. Okay, let's move on to the question itself. Which statement about the methods of reproduction is correct? A, all the offspring from sexual reproduction are genetically identical but dissimilar to the parents. This statement is wrong, okay, as all the offsprings are not genetically identical. In fact, they are also different from one another. Okay. B, asexual reproduction results in identical zygotes. Okay, when we talk about asexual reproduction, we will not have any zygotes at all, as zygotes are essentially from the fertilization from two gametes. Okay, so essentially zygotes, in this case we can talk about the fertilization of the sperm and the egg cell to form a zygote, but whenever we talk about asexual reproduction, since there is only one parent, there will not be two gametes at all. Okay, so there will not be any existence of a zygote. Okay. C, in asexual reproduction, two nuclei from one parent fuse. This is also not true. Okay. And D, in sexual reproduction, one nucleus from each of the two parents fuse. This is true, as in the humans in sexual reproduction, one nucleus from the sperm and the egg cell will fuse, okay, and that will result in fertilization, resulting in formation of zygotes. Okay, this process is known as fertilization. Okay, so as a result of it, option D is the correct option.